What's going on, everyone? Derrikmonster here, back in with the video. Today I'm going to Dairy Queen. So Dairy Queen has come out with a new summer blizzard menu, and one of the blizzards that's come out is the new frosted animal cookie blizzard. So that's what I'm going to be trying today. But as always, I got my mask, and I'm going to hit the Dairy Queen, and I'll see you when I get there. Okay guys, so I made it to Dairy Queen. I'm gonna hit the drive-thru and get my blizzard.
Hi, welcome to Dairy Queen. What can I get for you?
Could I get your frosted animal cookie blizzard?
Of course. What else for you?
That would be all.
Did you? What size was it?
Just a small.
Okay, I'll see you up here. Thank you.
Thank you. Okay guys, so I'm back from Dairy Queen. I have my frosted animal cookie blizzard right here. It looks very colorful and also smells good. Yeah, it smells very good. It smells like frosted animal cookies. But yeah, let's get a close-up with this. Okay guys, so here's the blizzard. As you can see, it's kind of pink and it's also got those sprinkles that the frosted animal cookies has. It's kind of melted right now because I did have to drive home. But yeah, it looks pretty good. But yeah, I'm excited to get into this. So let's get into that. Okay guys, so let's try this frosted animal cookie. Let's get like a good bite. That seems like a good one. Let's try this. Tastes like frosted animal cookies, but in ice cream. But they actually have like little clumps of animal cookie. This is good. This is actually better than I expected. Got some on my mustache. I mean, you really can't go wrong with ice cream from Dairy Queen. So that's why it's so good. A lot better than I expected though. That's good. I can't wait to try their other summer blizzards and stuff. Because it is starting to be nice out. Well, next week it's supposed to be raining all week, so probably won't go to Dairy Queen then. I might still. Who knows? It's good. Oh. A school closing snow day for your mouth. That's what it says on it. You should realize that. Yeah, frosted animal cookie blizzard from Dairy Queen. It's pretty good, you know, and it's new, so it's only for a limited time. I'm guessing it'll be up for all of summer as well, if it's part of their summer blizzard menu. It's pretty good. Definitely recommend you guys try it, especially if you've had frosted animal cookies before, because it kind of just like brought that nostalgic of me just being a child eating frosted animal cookies. Yeah, they're pretty good. Definitely recommend you guys try it. But yeah, that's gonna be it for this video. Stay safe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.